Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Josh's Backyard Builds. This is another weird one. We're not in the fucking backyard again today. We're just fucking with the shower. I spent a weekend and about fucking, I don't know, $150 trying to fix this shower the other week, and I didn't actually get it done. I was supposed to finish it off today with Dad, but yeah, right. So this is my shower. It looks real sick. Right. There we go. There you go. Looks real sick. You used to be able to change this and it'd come out from there, or it'd come out from there, or it'd come out from there. But now, yeah, not so much, because, yeah, not the best. Not the best. So now only this one works. And sort of this one, but I don't know why. I really need to block that one off. And yeah, I've tried my hardest to seal it from leaking. I really hope after this entire tube of silicone bathroom sealer, I really do hope that I've actually got all the leaks, because yeah, when I pulled it out to fix the back, can you see that water damage down there? It must have been leaking for a while. Can't really see it that good. There's no lighting down there. But anyway, I'm just waiting on Dad to come over today and help me with this drain, because that's the last thing to do after I had to change the back, because this snapped off and it was stuck in between this setting and this setting, the mister and the handheld, but this one not good enough. Like it was going through the mister mostly, so you barely got a dribble out of that. Now I've got it set to this. Now, well, I couldn't set it back. I had to actually, in the back, there's 3 outlets from the, obviously each 3 sources. There's 3 outlets. I had to take the hose off the outlet for this, delete that, throw that away. I mean, not throw it away. I had to connect. Basically, I disconnected this. No, I disconnected. Sorry, don't worry about me. I've disconnected the misters that were running, because the misters, it got stuck on the mist setting, which was fucking useless. I couldn't have a shower. It was fucking, yeah, for three days I was stuck, couldn't have a shower. But yeah, so I disconnected the mister and I just ran the hose to this one. I just just swapped the hose from the mister to the top setting, and yeah, plumbed it all up. Oh, I'll just climb up here. This is all my work. Had to replace the shower head, because I had swapped just the hose first, because it was the other one was too short. But then I was doing this one up tight when it was sitting up here to a fitting down here. I got up to the last thing, boom, snapped it off. I didn't realise that it had a fucking plastic thread going from the shower rose up to the elbow. I didn't realise it was plastic, so I snapped the fucking thing off. So then I had to go back to Bunnings again for the 4th time, or whatever, however many times it was. And I could have just replaced the plastic thread, but I ended up replacing the whole shower rose as well. And rather than using the fucking plastic thread again, I lashed out and bought a fucking full brass thread. Unfortunately, they didn't have half that length because I didn't need that long, but whatever. And now it just goes down there to fucking that mess down there. So don't worry about that. I didn't die while I was in there, so it's obviously not that shoddy. But yeah, all in all, it's been coming together. But since I got it all together, the drainage has been leaking. So yeah, I've got Dad coming over today to help me with that. I reckon if he just brings over some sealant, like that you seal PVC pipes with, that blue shit. I reckon if you just bring some of that over and we just use that on it, I reckon I'll be able to get it. Like I've just sussed it out there, and I can actually, if I reach down around here, if I lay down on my back and reach down around here, I can actually reach the drain and get onto it pretty steady. I should be able to put a hose clamp on it and give it a tighten, so it should nip it up. But I want to get some sealant on it first. If I don't get that sealant on it, I'm just relying on the hose clamp. It would be better with sealant. I may as well do it properly, because yeah, the drainage goes from that through that little fucking flexi tube there. So I really don't want it leaking again. After I put it all back together the other day, I noticed after I finished it was leaking. But I also fixed the doors as well. Without a before, it's sort of hard to see what it was. But pretty much the entire time, fucking 10 or so years we've had this fucking shower, the bottom rollers were never in the runners. It was just always just hanging from the top rollers. I pulled all the doors off the other week, and it was 2 seized wheels. This wheel's broken. I need to replace that. But I've got a set of 4 coming in the mail. I got off eBay, fresh from China. So they'll get here when they get here. Yeah, well, that's my shower anyway. Like, honestly, ladies love it, plumbers hate it. I thought it was pretty cool until I realised, yeah, how fucking shoddy it is. But it was just the leaks. It had a seal running all the way through to there, to the underneath there, connecting these 2 pieces. Obviously, the bottom section is a piece by itself. That wall's a piece. This is a piece, and that wall's a piece. And obviously, the front doors. But where these seals seemed to be okay, but it was this seal. The actual seal was completely missing. It was half fallen out. I pulled it out from the back. So I'm like, well, I need to do something about that. So yeah, I got into it from the back. There's a little bit of silicone in the back, but not much. Hold on, I'm going to stop. Yeah, so I've pulled it out. You can see that fucking drainage hole now. I'm actually just looking at it. I'm going to get down there and have a closer look at it now that I've moved it out. But it's got a couple of little holes in it. See that little hole? That little hole there. This is the fucking drainage. I wonder why it had a leak. Yeah, it's not cool. This is the back of the shower. It's fucking dirty behind here. All this fucking water damage. Like I said, coming from that seal. That's full of water there right now. Where the fuck is that coming from? I'm gonna have to dry it off. Dry it off and figure out where it's coming from. Get some more silicone in this backside maybe. Yeah, I'm just wondering if it's that seal that's obviously fucking not there anymore and been replaced with fucking silicone. I'm wondering if it's that seal that's where this water's come from, or perhaps my plumbing. I am not a plumber. My dad is. Ideally, I need to take that one off there and put a cap on it like that. So then it only comes out of this one. I mean, ultimately, I'm pretty sure you can buy a kit that I can piss all this off and just run one to either. There's got to be a way you can replace that three-way valve. There fucking has to be. Anyway. But like I said, this is it. This is what I've been doing for the last week. This is why the channel's been fucking slow. I've got no cars to work on at the moment. Just this stuff to do, but plenty of work in here. Plenty of work to do in here. Yeah, there's the seal that come out of there. Realistically, while I'm fucking behind here, I should give it a fucking sweep out at least. It'd be funny if that worked. Yeah, so I've still got. I should fucking. Yeah, I should probably put this back in the wall. You don't mind the fake tattoo on my hand. I got a little bit bored last night. Oh, look. It's not fucking perfect, but it's better than it was. Yeah, I think I'll untangle that and run that on a separate slide to the water. So, It needs a bigger hole. Why is that hole there? I don't know what the fuck they made it so fucking long. To be honest, that's why it's... Well, when Caleb gets home fucking next year, I'm going to say, Caleb, why did you make the cords for the PowerPoint behind the shower so fucking long? Why? Because it was unnecessary. You didn't need to do it. Fuckhead. Ugh. You know what I need? Oh, shit, while I'm walking through. Actually, nah, I can't. I'll show you my bed, my bedside tables that I got. Kitchen's looking, matching fucking wardrobe. Joint's looking pretty spiffy anyway. Yeah, what I need is tripod. There we go. Now I can fucking get in here with two hands. It's just... I need to make that hole bigger. You just wait here. Wait here for a second and just watch that. Yeah, a bit of a steak knife. Should fucking get that hole looking. Oh, look at that. I fucking got it flush. Nearly. A bit more trim of the wall. Yeah, my brother, he really didn't finish this joint off before he moved in. He definitely could have done a few more things. Alrighty. Beautiful. Just need a couple of fucking... couple of screws. Into the third drawer, what do we got? Yeah, that'll do. And that might do too. Screwdriver. I can't really see what the camera's looking at. Hold on. No, I can't really see what... I can't change it while it's moving either. Alright. We're making some fucking progress today. Okay. Okay. These screws just are not going to do. They're just not going to work. Okay. Well, what I'll do is I'll get some fucking bigger screws. They might fucking take something. Yeah, if this doesn't work, I've got one more idea. I've got one more idea. If I can't screw it in, I don't think I left enough. I need a stubby screwdriver. That doesn't even fucking fit because the wall's too fucking narrow. La-di-da-di-da-di-da. Yeah, so the screws aren't going to work. Stop standing on this. Josh. I don't know about that. I fucking don't know about that at all. I hope we can fucking replace it, so. Huh, we got one screw to go in. Would you look at that? And this is my, if all else fails, if I can't get the screws to work, This'll fucking work. Bit of Sikaflex. My tube's a bit blocked. Okay. Fuck. A little bit of duct tape to hold it down, keep it motivated. Ooh. I fucking want my fucking fingers so I can touch things again. Yeah, get in there with the fucking broom a bit now, I reckon. It's the last little bit of Sikaflex. What am I going to do with it? Yeah, right, so while I was off camera, I just got in there with some fucking Sikaflex, and fuck it, if that's not sealed now, it will never be. It will never be sealed if that's not sealed now. light switch is fucking connected to the wall now. It'll be glued, but whatever. Yeah. Just need to give him a fucking sweeperoo. It's a lot of mess, but fuck, it didn't all come up, did it? Well, fucking got the job done properly. So I can get on here and get it good fucking clean. Fucking bit of skirt. I'm pretty sure I've got a fucking piece of skirt better than that. Just gotta... I need to go find that piece of fucking skirt board now, so I can replace that bit that's rotted away. And hopefully, if my repairs actually are worth anything, and it might not get fucking waterlogged again. Oh, gross. Yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. So I've got to fucking replace that skirt. See if I can find that. Right, so as you remember, I found a couple of little pinholes in that hose. So the old man's not coming over today anymore, as I've spoken to him about it, and he needs to go to a shop that's not open until tomorrow. So he's coming over at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning to grab me, and we're going to go to the shop, pick up a new length of this, thread it through and hook him up to that and fucking slide the shower back in place and fucking Bob's your uncle. Yeah. I don't know how that fucking... Yeah, that's going to seal up. I reckon that is going to have to be better than what it was. It's got to be. That's a bit sus. I might put some silicone, some fucking shit there. But basically, that's the fucking end of the video for today. I'm gonna have to. I'll film the rest tomorrow and upload from there. Hey, so I found a piece of skirt board I was looking for. Found it, you know, this is the next day, but I found it. Actually, I didn't find it. Kim found it. I told her that I was missing it, and I described the place that I thought I put it, that I've been looking for the last fucking, since I was looking for it, like, and yeah, she fucking comes up, finds my nook and my cranny and nook that I put it in about 5 minutes. She fucking found it. Like, get fucked. Why didn't I look there? Anyway, I just have to, I don't know what I'm taking these. I'll leave that there for a second. I need tools, so I'm gonna get the jigsaw onto that, fucking trim that off and pop him in. Yeah, right. So I roughly measured this. Unfortunately, I didn't find the skirt board until after me and Dad finished fitting the shower. So getting down under where the skirt goes to take a measurement was a little tricky, but we got there. It should be pretty close. If it overhangs, it won't matter. No one's going to see it. It'll be behind the shower. I just want to tidy it up a bit, finish the trim. That'll do. Take that aside. Lights on. Fuck, you can just see the gap there where it's got to go against the wall. I think I should be able to swing a hammer down there on it, but I'll get that nail out first. Alright, get in here, get this nail out. Alright, that's not a straight edge. I'm gonna have to fix that up. What the fuck? It clicked in there, I can't get it out. Dick. I just need to cut a fucking right angle on this wood, make it straight. And then yeah, just trim it off. Mark it out and trim it off. I should have a fucking triangle. So need a fucking, there'll be a pencil in here. This. Oh, fuck. I love having both of my toolboxes fucking back up and functioning. Fucking cut my leg off basically. Leaving half those tools here. Put this spare piece away just in case we need it again. This is the edge we've got to get square because just trying to get it fucking straight with the jigsaw. Because I gotta get my head right around that, I might get some fucking PPE. Oh shit. What the fuck just happened then? That was weird. Where the fuck is that pen? There's a pencil that's somehow fallen into my jacket. I just had to stab it through. Anyway, let's get these on. I fucking can't get me now. As fucking straight. We are going to get it with the jigsaw. Bit of natural, well, not natural, concrete sandpaper. Sort it out. Take these fuckers off now. Yeah, there's not any way you're gonna be able to fucking see any better, so. Yeah, sweet. Let's need to nudge that over. Fucking edge isn't great, but hang on a second. I just cut that flat so I could sit that flush. Why is it not sitting flush? Well, close enough is good enough, I guess. I don't have any fucking nails. I'll grab some of this high strength glue, but I thought that's a bit of a piss take. I won't even bother wasting my time with that. I think I've got some trim nails, but I don't think they're going to be long enough. You come in, mate. Yeah, right, these little trim nails, they're not gonna enough, I don't think. There's a couple of fucking... They might take. Probably won't need that many. Now I'm going to see if I can monkey down in here. Get a nail in that somehow. I don't know how. I've got an idea. Might come out one last time. Mr. Skinner, please. Thank you. What I'll do is I'll sink a couple of these nails in first before we... That little fucking there that where it didn't get the line. I've got an idea. Just spend a little bit more time doing this to make it fit right. Fucking belt sander would be good, but I don't have one. I'll get this little rough bit. Let's have a crack at that. Do I really come out here without a hammer? Coming to punch some nails in a fucking piece of wood, I've walked out with no hammer. I'm only going to be able to get... Oh, fucking, I'll go for 3. I'm going to say 2 nails will probably be all I'll get in there, but I'll make a triangle shape. Not exactly the correct hammer for this sort of job, I know. I think Mum's got a claw hammer inside, but that's a fair way to go when I have a perfectly good hammer here. It's just doing a just doing a job for a friend. Mr. Ball Pen. I'll just slip this in one more time and hopefully it sits a bit more flush. I reckon I just need to take that one little try. I'm either gonna get it fucking right or I'm gonna fuck it and we'll have to start again, but no, I won't have to start again. I don't think I'll get that short. You can see where it's... This come out fucking top. Probably a multitude of different tools that would do this job better than this, but you know what? I might pull those nails out maybe and fucking just get the circular saw on it. I'm pretty sure I'll get the straightest line I can get with the fucking circular saw. Maybe. Oh, fuck it. If I made it worse, who knows? I don't know what I'm doing here. Get it in. Who's looking in the fucking gap? Fuck it, that'll do. Alright. Fuck. One more. I don't know if you've seen that wobbling as those nails were going in, like they're not doing shit. Alright. We are going with, I don't know, plan fucking A again. The one we abandoned just before. I bought the fucking glue in. I was like, will I use the glue? Nah, I'll do it properly. Guess what, cunts? I'm using the fucking glue. I don't have any nails. I'll get fucked. The glue lid is fucked up. I don't know why you're down there. You should be up here looking at me. I thought this was like a Gorilla branded PVA glue just by the fucking shape of the bottle. And it's not obviously PVA or wood glue in any way. It is some tacky looking shoe glue fucking shit. But Tarzan's grip, high strength glue, strong, longer working time. Well, listen, this isn't too much heavy lifting. I reckon this should be able to do it now. Let's see if I can get it back into this spot. Can you see that spot from there? Not really, eh? Look at that. Alright. I'm gonna maneuver this in here without fucking getting any glue anywhere. There we go. You, you dog. That scared the shit out of me. Alright. Yeah, well, there's no fucking nails in it. Oh, there is. But they're not anchoring into anything on the other side at all. But it is now secured in place. That glue's gonna dry. It's never coming off again. Fucking chapter over, the end. Nightmare done. But yeah, we finished this off. Fucking it's all done finally. We had to jack it up or 1.5 inches. Fucking we got the legs all sitting on a paver. So there's a big gap down there now. So we couldn't the drain where it drained come out, it fucked up, and the actual trap, the drain trap was way too shallow. It was a really shallow drain trap, and we couldn't reuse it. So Dad just switched it over for an elbow bend, and had to raise it up so we could get around the angle bend on that radius. But yeah, all in all, fucking all sorted. And back in its fucking corner. Yeah, fucking skirt board's on. Yeah, fucking beautiful. Nearly time to start painting. I've just got to sand off these walls. Fucking patches that I've done, and it's time to start painting. We're ready to go. Anyway, thanks for fucking watching. Yeah, like I said, not the normal content, but I'll get back to it. It's coming up to Christmas. Fuck, I don't have a lot of money to spend on my car, but I'm still gonna have to find some from somewhere because I need to do a harmonic balancer pretty soon. I noticed mine's walked forward about 6 mils, and my auxiliary belt is fucking rubbing, and yeah, it's just a bit skewy. Yeah, that's it for today. Fucking like the video if you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and yeah, fucking catch me next time. And yeah, drive carefully. Peace out.